Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ping space 127.1.1.1 space -t. If you get replay from this IP address, Wi-Fi device is working good. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, enable device. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is click Start Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Reset Now. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. After uninstall, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.